Today we discuss about linear equations with two variables. What is linear equation? When we plot a graph of an equation with two variables, if it is a straight line, then that equation is a linear equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of a linear equation with two variables. Here x and y are the variables. A, b and c are real numbers. A is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y, and the degree of the variables x and y is also 1. This is the general form of a linear equation. Now we consider simultaneous linear equation. What is simultaneous linear equation? When we consider two linear equations together, that equations are simultaneous linear equations. Consider the example. X plus y is equal to 7. This is first equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 is the second equation. Now, how we can solve a linear equation? Now we consider the x plus y is equal to 7. We label this equation as equation number 1. Second one, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. That is equation number 2. Then how we can solve? The method 1. In this method, we are trying to equate the coefficients of x. We can equate any coefficient of x or coefficient of y. Here we equate the coefficient of y. For that, we consider the equation 1. We multiply the equation 1 throughout by 3. Then the equation's value is not changed. Now the equation 1 become 3x plus 3y equal to 7 into 3, 21. Now equation 1 becomes 3x plus 3y is equal to 21. Equation 2 has not changed. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Now add this equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. 3x plus 2x. 5x plus 3y plus minus 3y is cancelled. 21 plus 9 is equal to 30. 5x is equal to 30. That implies x is equal to 30 divided by 5. Now we get the value of x is equal to 6. Then how we can find the value of y? We have to substitute the value of x in any of the equation. We have to substitute in equation 1. That's equation 1 become x plus y is equal to 7 becomes 6 plus y is equal to 7. That implies y is equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. That is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. Now how we have to represent the solution of a linear equation? It represents as ordered pair, that is x, y. The value of x is 6 and value of y is 1. Now the solution is x comma y is equal to 6 comma 1. Now move to the second method, method 2. In this method, we rewrite the equation. That's the equation rewrite in terms of y. That means y is equal to 7 minus x. Equation 1 becomes y is equal to 7 minus x. We just rearrange in terms of y. And next step is substitute the value of y in equation 2. That is, equation 2 becomes 2x minus 3y. That's in place of y, put the value of this. 7 minus x is equal to 9. Just rearrange it. 2x minus 21 plus 3x is equal to 9. 5x is equal to 9 plus 21 equal to 30. X is equal to 30 divided by 5. We get x is equal to 6. Now substitute the value of x in any of these equations. Here, if we substitute here, y is equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Represent in terms of ordered pair 6, 1. This is the second method. That is, just rearrange in any of the equation in terms of y and substitute that value of y in the next equation, and we have to solve and we get the solution. This is the two methods to solve a simultaneous linear equation. Thank you.